Good morning. For our math lesson today, you're going to need your whiteboard, marker, and eraser, and your number rack. So go ahead and gather those materials if you haven't already, and then we'll start our practice. Okay, so on your number rack, I would like you to show me this number. Ready? Did you do something like this? 1, 2, 3. Awesome job. If you made 3 like this, that's okay too. There's different ways to make 3. However, my 10 frame had the 3 dots all in the top row. So I'm thinking most of you made your 3 like this. Great work. Now let's think about that for a minute. How many more beads would you need to make 7 in all? Take your number rack and make 7 beads in all. How many more beads did you slide over? Count your beads, make sure you have 7. And then count just how many more beads did you slide over to make 7 in all. Here's my answer. I slid 1, 2, 3, 4 more beads over to make 7. Maybe some of you did it like this. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. That's still 4 more beads. That still makes 7 in all, and that's still the right answer. So there's multiple ways to make your numbers, and that's okay. Let's do one more practice, and then we'll get to the lesson. Show me this number on your number rack. And I'll go ahead and do mine. I'll give you a minute to get yours together. All right, ready? Let's see. Did you get 7 in all? I have 5 on the top and 2 on the bottom. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Awesome work. One more practice. How many more beads should I add to make 12 in all? Let's think about that. Slide some beads over, and let's see if we can get to 12 beads in all. Are we ready? Here's my answer. I slid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more beads over to make 12 in all. I have 10 red and 2 white makes 12. I bet you guys did that a different way, but still came up with the same answer. Awesome work. So our next step is some story problems. We're going to do the first one together as practice. And then after that, I will leave you the rest of the story problems, and that's what I want you to post pictures of, is your answer to the story problems. So the first one is just practice. We're going to do all together. Sage has 2 green popsicles in her left hand and 4 purple popsicles in her right hand. How many popsicles does she have in all? First, I'm going to take my whiteboard and my marker, and I want to write that equation down. I'll read it again. Sage has 2 green popsicles in her left hand and 4 purple popsicles in her right hand. How many popsicles does she have in all? So what number should I write first? Oh, 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4? We want to know how many in all, so we need an equal sign, and we'll put a box for the number that's missing. Now I want you to show me that problem on your number rack. You might have already solved it, but I want you to show it to me on the number rack. Two plus 4. So here's my answer. 2 plus 4 equals how many in all? Right, 6. So I'm going to write a 6 in here, and this is my final answer. So when you guys do your problems for practice, I want you to show me your number rack and your whiteboard with the equation. Just like this. Then take a picture real quick with the camera icon and send that to me. You'll have 5 or 6 practice ones to do. Great job today.